Good morning.
Hello, we are at Gunsight Wash,
which is south of Ajo, Arizona.
And why? If
Why?
you don't know where those are, look them up on a map. Very southern Arizona. We're spending a few days in this area.
It is also north of
Organ Pipe National Monument. We're going to go there today and spend some time just driving around, and they allow dogs on some of the hiking trails.
That's because it's a monument.
So we're pretty excited about that. We're going to be able to
park, but a monument.
Be able to take Bayley on some walks. So that's what we're doing today, folks.
And it's like 60 some degrees today.
Perfect weather. Perfect weather.
Yeah.
And, hey, look where we are. Look at this. Look at all around us.
Us and some scattered people.
This is just
miles.
Beautiful.
Maybe not miles, but at least a mile.
Well, it's a long ways back there.
I have no idea how long this. How far this goes back.
Gunsight Wash is pretty big.
There's a lot of people out here, but we're all scattered around.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna start our day and go see some Organ Pipe Cactus.
All right. Border checkpoint. It's not really a checkpoint, but there's cameras or something all along here.
See, this is our drive down Highway 85 into Organ Pipe National Monument. The Mexico border is literally like, I don't know, 20 miles away. I mean, it's very close.
We're very close to the border.
And there's a car behind me.
Sorry, car.
Sorry, buddy.
We're tourists.
All right. Organ Pipe Cactus National Monument.
Woo!
Why is that so hard to say?
I don't know. There's a lot.
It's a tongue twister there. We have arrived at the entrance to the park.
We seem to have that problem a lot, though.
What?
Marfa
Mystery.
See?
Yeah.
See.
Anyway, if I can't read it, yeah. So here we are. We're going to...
go explore.
Yeah, we're going to go explore. Get a few pictures here and then go explore. Little information here about the park. So here's a map. We are here. This is the border of the National Monument. Gunsight Wash is like literally right up here. It's just a couple miles away. And then the Mexican border is here. There is a border crossing there. We today are going to go down to the visitor center, and these are some hiking trails Bayley can walk around on. There's a campground somewhere around there. We're going to find that. Organ Pipe Cactus National Monument was set into the National Park System in April 13th, 1937. It was declared a biosphere reserve in October of 1976. And due to the proximity of the international border, smuggling and or illegal entry do occur. Please do not travel alone in remote areas, hike or drive the scenic roads during daylight, and avoid nighttime travel. So be aware of your surroundings at all times, please. My gosh, it's noisy here. Okay, here we go.
We're gonna go check out the visitor center.
Yep. Oh, that's why it's the Kris Eggle Visitor Center. Interesting.
Arid lands shares abundant sunshine, aridity, a high rate of evaporation, and sparse vegetation. All four deserts lie within the basin and range provinces between the Rocky Mountains and the Sierra Nevada.
Okay, we're at the trailhead of the Palo Verde Trail. Dogs are allowed.
Yay!
We're not exactly sure what the length of this trail is. It says 1.3 to the campground.
But the ranger said it was a total of 1.6 round trip, not 2.6. That makes it a 2.6 round trip.
So we have our hiking app queued up, so we'll see.
We'll see
what we do.
But dogs are allowed, and we're happy about that.
Are you happy?
Yep, she gets to come with.
Are you happy? You sure?
She's happy.
Are you okay?
Let's go.
You get to be with moms. Look at that. Dogs are allowed. That's awesome. We've walked for about 20 minutes, and that's 3/4 of a mile according to our GPS. We ran into some folks who said that the campground is another half mile down the trail that way. Or I'm sorry, half hour's walk. We can drive to the campground, so we're gonna drive to the campground and then walk the trail backwards towards the point where we stopped and get that half of it done. That way it's not all in one shot for Bayley, because it's hot. Not that she's in distress or anything, but
It's like
you know,
60.
we won't, and there is a breeze,
Actually,
right?
I
There
don't
is a
even
nice breeze. Hold
Actually,
on.
I don't even think it's
Come here,
60
Bee.
yet.
Bayley, come on. Here, I'll have to take her.
Probably
This-
not even 60 degrees yet.
No, it's very comfortable. But that way we break up her walk too. Look at this view all around us.
We've got beautiful skies
My
today.
gosh. Yeah, compared to yesterday?
Beautiful skies.
Uh-huh. Well, we're back where we started.
Back at the beginning of the trail.
We did 1.45.
1.45, so 1.5 miles.
Perfect. Oh,
That
that's
was
good.
Perfect.
That's good.
I'm gonna stop this here. We can drive down to the campground.
We're gonna do the little loop trail behind the visitor center though, right?
Oh, we are, yeah. That's just a 0.1.
Yeah,
Little
we'll go do
thing.
that.
Let's
Maybe
go do
get Bayley some water first.
Yeah.
This is really neat. This is an organ pipe cactus that has lived out its life. And it's now dying off, dropping to the ground and leaving just a skeleton, just like the saguaros do. That's pretty cool. So this is the nature trail behind the visitor center here. This says, "What are you waiting for? If patience is a virtue, the Sonoran Desert is virtuous. The plants and animals here are almost always waiting. They wait for rain, wait for night, wait for transportation, wait for spring, or wait for conditions to be just right so that they can live life in a hurry and then return to waiting. To really understand this place, you will also have to be patient. The secrets of the Sonoran Desert will unfold to you in time, and there are clues to the waiting game all around you. This short nature trail can help you see the mysteries of this patient desert." In the park for the day. Can we drive through and check out the campground for future reference?
Yeah, absolutely. Would you like a map?
Sure, that'd be great. And is it okay if we park someplace and have lunch while we're in the campground?
Yeah.
As long as it's not a site?
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, how many sites are there?
108.
Holy
no
cow!
kidding. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, so that's a lot of sites.
Yeah.
Jeez, I had no idea. Cool. We'll
Jeez.
we'll find a place to park and have lunch. Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Scoping out the Twin Peaks campground. Look how it's huge.
That's massive. There's 134 sites, you said? No, 234 sites.
234
Wow.
sites, all the way down to tent camping. There's amphitheaters, running water.
Some of the restrooms have solar showers.
Very nice.
That's very pretty. There's a dump station with water to clean and also potable water.
Which we may or may not have filled up with.
Very convenient. This is a beautiful campground. The perimeter trail here at the campground allows dogs.
Yay.
So that's nice. It's half paved and it looks like half just rock.
Yay.
So this is a really nice campground, you guys. So that boom we just heard a little bit ago, did you hear it?
I heard it. Yeah, it's a sonic boom. The Air Force has a base around here. They have the Barry Goldwater Bombing Range just north of us.
Okay.
So they'll be flying around. They're not supposed to do sonic booms over the monument, but it's the military. What are you gonna do?
There you go.
They can do what they want.
They're having fun.
Oh
Yeah,
my god.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's good to know.
Yeah.
You can see it or not, but that would actually be the border wall going up that hill over there. Is this Lukeville?
This is Lukeville. We're entering Lukeville.
Lukeville is right on the border.
And it is the border
It is
crossing,
the border.
pretty much. There's limited services here. Post office, you said.
Yeah. Yeah, there's the wall. I think the wall's on both sides here. I can see it over there too.
Yeah, it's over there as well.
Yeah. U.S. inspection station ahead.
Like, so people must do this all the time. There's a gas station on the right I can pull into.
Oh yeah, there you go. So this one's officially open. This is the border. Gringo Pass Motel and RV Park.
Okay.
There you go.
Pull in here and turn around.
You can buy Mexican insurance here for your car.
Yeah. Because we don't want to go to Mexico here.
No.
Not today. Gas station, convenience store, blah blah. Y is 27 miles north. Eagle Bend is 81. Well, that was as close as we're getting to Mexico on this
In Arizona.
National Park.
Well, this yeah.
Yeah,
This national park.
national monument actually.
Stopped real quick here at the Ajo Mountain Range overlook. We were here this morning and the sun was kind of shadowing the mountains just behind, so you couldn't see them all that well. So we figured we'd stop here on our way back, and boy, I'm glad we waited. The view here is spectacular. Those are gorgeous mountains. And then overlooks the valley here. This is a beautiful, beautiful area. Everybody's been saying for a while we should probably come visit the National Monument here, the Organ Pipe National Monument. I'm glad we did that today. This is nice. Okay, we're getting ready to leave the park.
There's the welcome to
sign. We
sign.
just passed the welcome to sign.
Back under this checkpoint station that's not active. But you know they're watching us.
You know they're watching. That's our time in
Oregon.
That's our time in Organ Pipe Cactus
National
Monument.
We butcher that every time.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Look at the sunset we have out here tonight, you guys.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. That is... no words. Wow.
What a sight. It's a fantastic way to end the day. We had a fabulous time at Organ Pipe Cactus National Monument, enjoying our last night here at Gunsight Wash BLM land. Headed off to meet friends for Christmas in the next couple days. So just enjoy this. Good night, everybody.